Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brainside56. In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you on how to set up EC Pro. Okay, I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN specifically. Okay, this is Lite. It is very fast, and I'm gonna show you on how to set it up step by step. So in case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and even click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new content. So the significance of this VPN, you can use it to secure your online privacy and security when you're browsing on the internet. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to your Play Store and you install this VPN. It's available on your Play Store. Go and type in EC Lite, okay, and you click to open it. I show you the way it works. So first of all, what you need to do, you must have got some little data to fetch the servers, which will help you to secure your online privacy and security when you're browsing on the internet. So let me try to connect. Okay, so now let me go and try to show you how to set it up. So after you downloading it, what you need to do, to go and open up. Okay, I told you it is available on your Play Store. Okay, just have to tap to open it up. So just click right there. Okay, what you need to do is to press OK, such that it fetches for you the servers that will help you to secure your online privacy and security when you're browsing on the internet. Press later. Okay, this is the way it works. Let's try to check here. Okay, so in case you have used it for long, this is where I update from. Okay, so just need to come and click here where there is this best performance. Go ahead and select this one, works best UK. Okay, so continue. Go ahead and tap on this. Okay, peruse through and choose out your country. Now these bundles you're seeing will help you to secure your online privacy, okay, when you're using the internet. Okay, so what you need to do is to just choose the SIM card that you're using, and I tell you this will surely help you to secure your online privacy when you're using the internet. Okay, so in case you're done with that, you just have to go ahead and click to start. And the other thing is, in case you wanna add time, this is where you add the time from. Okay, in case your time expires. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This VPN works for all countries. I sign out.